The American Dream. When your vision becomes a reality, through hard work and dedication, you will accomplish what you sought out to achieve. This is what everyone wants in their lifetime. Many distinguished leaders of the past century have obtained their own American dream, when others unfortunately have not. Although most may not achieve the dream, it is still what we all strive for. Here are 3 leaders of the 20th century that achieved the American dream. Number 1. Theodore Roosevelt, President from 1901 to 1909, Progressive Era. He was optimistic and adventurous. Theodore Roosevelt has definitely achieved his American dream. He graduated Harvard College with great distinction, and then moved on to the political scene. Teddy joined New York State Assembly, being the youngest at the time. When he wanted to progress as mayor of New York to represent the Republican Party, he failed to gain enough votes. After becoming a war hero in the Spanish-American War, he returned to New York to easily be elected mayor in 1898. In the same year, Roosevelt assumed the vice president position under President McKinley. However, when being re-elected for president in 1901, McKinley was assassinated and Roosevelt took office. He continues to be our president for the next 8 years until his second term is over. Theodore Roosevelt achieved his dream of saving wildlife and making it known that we should all take more care of our planet. He is considered one of the best presidents of U.S. history. Number 2. Herbert Hoover, President from 1929 to 1933, the 20s. Rags to riches, Herbert Hoover is truly a Cinderella story. He starts his prosperous life unfortunately with his parents' death. Staying with his aunt and uncle, however, this did not stop Hoover. He kept working his best while being humble. Hoover sent aid to Europe after World War I, helping to feed over 9 million Belgians. After that, he serves as head of the American Relief Administration, then becomes President Harding's Secretary of Commerce. After being appointed this position, Hoover ran for president in 1928, crushing his opponent Alfred E. Smith. Hoover was loved by millions, giving aid to those in need. Herbert Hoover did achieve his dream. Through helping others, he was very successful in doing so. However, if former President Hoover was elected after the Great Depression, which in some cases ruined his presidency, historians speculate that Hoover would have been the best U.S. president. Number 3. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., social activist leader, 1950 through 1968, civil rights. Martin Luther King Jr., a very inspiring leader for all to learn from. Dr. King has shown all that with commitment, courage, and amicable resistance, things can get done. His life starts in 1929 on January 15th. He assumed the position of pastor at the Ebenezer Baptist Church. Once entering high school, he accelerated. Dr. King skipped 9th and 11th grades. Graduating high school, he enrolled in the Morehouse College at 15 years old. In 1948, Martin Luther King Jr. earned a sociology degree, then entered Boston University. Here's where he met his wife, Coretta Scott. King received his degree in 1955 and was only 25 years old. He then moved on to support civil rights after studying Mahatma Gandhi for a number of years. This led Dr. King leading movements on Washington and a number of other cities. He changed the way most people think. He truly accomplished what he sought out to achieve. Unfortunately, he was assassinated by James Earl Ray in 1968. This is what I believe to be the best 3 American dreams achieved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good day.